Hi guys, how are you? This is my Opel Astra van, a recreation of my unlucky Cadet van. The van gets all those able parts of the Cadet, the wheels, the suspension, the brakes, the steering wheel, but remains the interior. In this episode we're gonna grade the whole interior, but first let me broke this stupid locker. Anybody can explain me why the previous owner installed a locker on the emergency wheel cover? I rent this vacuum for liquids on the marketplace for 20 euros per day. Today, we're gonna clean all the interior with this amazing product. Do you remember my Opel Calibra seats? I was very lucky. They wasn't be damaged on the accident of the Cadet. This is how it looks, the interior carpet. Very disgusting. After remove the seats, we're gonna vacuum all the carpet. Now it's the turn of the vacuum for liquids. It's very satisfying how it's going this machine. Here it's where we start to change the color of the interior. I bought for 10 bucks this center console from the Opel Astra GSI in black color. Let's take advantage to install all the wiring for the audio system. These Opel Calibra seats are stunning. This is the result of years of crap. The handbrake booth and the gear booth needs to be replaced right now. The upholstery shop of my city did this amazing job for 50 euros. Now it looks very new. The interiors of the commercial range of the Opels of that era came in grey color. A color that doesn't match with this project. So let's get it out. I bought for €50 this black GSI dash. It radically changed the interior. Of course, new cabin filter. This Astra came without RPM gauge, so I bought the turbo diesel version. Never before €25 give me such satisfaction. I came to this gauge workshop for adjust the total kilometers of my new speedometer. Good job. Let's continue to the fitting of the new black interior. The headliner has taken off. First, we're gonna remove it, and then we're gonna back to the upholstery workshop for change the color of the gray for the black. While the headliner is in the upholstery shop, we're gonna paint the A-pillars in black color. Looks very good, no? Oh my god, now I come back from the upholstery workshop and I can take my eyes off this new headliner. Of course, I also paint the side visors in black. The black color of the GSI dash doesn't combine with the gray of the door cards. Now we're gonna remove the gray black sides and the gray door cards for install the new black ones. Do you remember my black and yellow seatbelts from my ex Opel Kadett? Uh-oh, the new black door cards doesn't get the hole for the window levers. No problem. Once I improve the front door speakers, now it's a turn for the rear part. Also, I saved from the crash of the Kadett the amplifier and the subwoofer. Let's gonna install it. And for finish, we're gonna install the LED lights on the cargo area. Do you wanna see the final result?